Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bev. I'm back with a faith plan with me video. So guys, this week I'm going to use my kit from Devotional, the gentleness kit. I'm going to be using Cami from Gold Mining Cocoa. If you want this kit from Devotional, just use my code Beverly20. Go to devotionalley.com. So guys, I have some washi tape from Simply Gilded and also some washi tape that my brother gifted me when I first started planning. He got me a whole bunch of washi tape. It was a lot of rolls, a lot of rolls. So I'm just gonna lay this down. But yeah, my new motto is to do the best I can. That's all I can do, and let God handle the rest. So it's working for me. Because I'm very, we all are our own worst critics, right? So I had the idea for these folding things. I said that I would put all my verses on here or in here, so that'll give me room to just write, and I don't have to worry about, running out of room. But you guys know, if I do run out of room, I will use my extra sheets that I have and everything like that. I also have my other faith planner to do, because it's Bible study, then it's scripture writing or devotional study, Bible, faith planner. So is this? Yeah, this is Thursday. I thought it was Friday. I was about to say, Beverly, what are you doing? So I'm happy to be back making videos for you guys. I want to start making craft videos, so I should have one craft video up on this week, and I think that would be super awesome. Let's see. I'm gonna put gentleness here on the bottom, right? And then let your gentleness be evident to all. The Lord is near. Philippians 4:5. And my Cammy doll, can't forget about Cammy. I want her to stand out on the page. So I'll put her like so. She is so cute. Okay, so what else did I have in mind? I'm gonna put one of these fire Bibles to cover up where it says notes, like that. Yeah, I like that. I don't even, this ties in this and a little of the colors in there, so that's working for me. This is cute. I'm gonna try to find a flower to put on the page because I love florals on my page. And I think I'm gonna use this one right here. So what I'm gonna do is cut this in half, like so. And put half of it here and half of it here. Bam. Oh, so that's this spread. Time for my next spread, which is this one right here. So I know I gotta use a little white out for this. Me and Tombo don't get along that well, but it's okay. Is it running out? Nope, it's just not rolling nicely. Okay. And for this, I have some pink washi from Simply Gilded. Oh, wait. Ah, no. It went down too fast. Okay, so that there. And I have this here. Cute. I like that. So I'm gonna take, let's see, this one right here. Put this here, like that. Oop. Okay, let's see. Need some flowers. I'm trying to make, for the most part, it match, but it's not completely necessary for both the spreads to match. Here, and this one I'll put here. These some big old juicy flowers, and I want to put something in the corner here, but I think I'm gonna put a fire Bible in the corner. Yeah. Okay. for my verses. And let's see. Too blessed to be stressed. I think I'm gonna use that. Oh, that's to be stressed. Lordy D, I almost put it in the wrong spot. Too blessed. To be stressed. Now I gotta put too blessed down. Okay. I think I like this rejoice. And this might be it for this spread, because in the horizontal planner, it's no, I'm gonna put this sing praises, because I love that's my form of worship. Singing, praise and worship is my thing. Before I forget, I said I wanted to put devotional down right here, because I have to write, you know, who does devotional what day and everything like that, because it's different people on different days. So I'm gonna put them in the planner. Y'all see, oh, I jumped all the way to October. Okay. This month didn't start out that great for me, which is fine. I typically be all anal about that. Here's this spread. But it's easy to be made up through the week. And here's this spread. So I had fun making this video. If you enjoyed my faith plan with me, go ahead, give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.